if you believe that you've been the victim of medical negligence, it's important to take certain steps to protect your claim. Number one, you have to realize that you have a certain amount of time to file your claim. That's called the statute of limitations. Ordinarily, if you're the victim of medical negligence, it's 2 years in the state of Missouri from the date of the alleged negligence to either file the claim or settle the claim. So it's very important that if you believe you've been the victim of negligence, to contact our office immediately so we can discuss what your legal options are and to take action to ensure that we protect your claim. Now, there are certain elements you have to establish if you believe you've been the victim of medical negligence. Number one, you have to establish that the doctor made a mistake, that he treated you in a fashion that was below the standard applicable to physicians in his practice. Number two, you have to establish that you suffered an injury as a result of that negligence. And number three, you have to find an expert in that field who will testify to both those damages. So in other words, you have to hire a medical doctor who will come in and testify that yes, you were the victim of medical negligence, and yes, that resulted in damages to you. As long as you can establish those two elements, and as long as you can find a doctor who's willing to testify to those two elements, you could potentially recover for your injuries that occurred to you as a result of medical negligence. If you have any questions at all about medical negligence or any other types of legal claims, please call our office immediately. We're happy to discuss your claim with you free of charge to see if there's something we can do to protect your rights and ensure that you get the compensation you deserve.